Hello and welcome to this VB.NET tutorial. Today we're just going to have a look at starting up with a simple Hello World program. So start with Visual Studio. I'm using Visual Studio 2012 Ultimate, so yours may be slightly differently depending on what type you're using. But what you should see is the option for New Project or File, New. File, New Project. What we need to do is just make sure that we've got the Visual Basic language chosen. So I'm just going into other languages, Visual Basic. Depending on how you set up Ultimate Studio, you may have different options available. So Visual Basic, and from there a Windows Forms application. The name is going to be Hello World. And then we just click on OK. And it will create our project for us. Okay, so now that's created, we've got our simple little form on the screen, a few properties and so on and so forth down the side, which we'll look at in later tutorials. What we're doing today is just diving straight in and having a look at a Hello World example. So what I like to do is come to my toolbox, give it a click, and then just put the pin on, so this auto hide button, so that way my tools are always down the side. You can expand them out by just clicking on the little arrow to find the items you're looking for. What we're looking for at this moment is a button. So just locate the button from the toolbox, drag it onto your screen, and again the properties down here change, but we'll look at those later on. We're not going to worry too much for now. We're just going to get straight in and have a play. So we'll double click on our button, and that will take us to code view for the button. As you can see, button one click. Don't double click on the button to go into code unless you want to program that button, or it will set up odds and sods in code. What we're going to do is just start with a simple hello world. So let's do it in a message box. So we type in message box dot show, open brackets, and then let's do hello world, and don't forget to close your brackets at the end. So we've created our little bit of code, just a simple little message box that will pop up on the screen and say hello world. So let's give it a quick play, click on this start button up here. So our form pops up on the screen, here's our little button, give it a click, and yes, we get our hello world message. It's a very simple introduction to VB. We'll be looking at more and more details as we go through these tutorials, and you'll start to explore the different areas. I'm just going to click on the stop button here, and I will hopefully see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.